Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday. Brian's back home. I didn't tell you last week in the vlog, but he was gone for the week to the hunting camp. I didn't tell you because I was alone. Like, you just can't be telling people when you're by yourself. You know what I mean? But he's back home. He's out there cleaning out the freezer outside to put some meat in. I just did my skincare. Remember last week I did micro needling? Here's what we look like. You can see where she did the peel on my forehead. So we're still working on that, but I'm only allowed to do their approved cleanser and moisturizer. That's it. And then I have Aqua 4 for these like really dry spots on my forehead. But we're looking pretty good. Also the Walmart PJs. So cute. Okay, Brian woke up this morning. First thing he said to me was, let's do something fun today. So we're going to see what we can get into. We don't want to go downtown because it's Mardi Gras and I'm not trying to get stuck in traffic, especially if you're not going to the parades. Because my first thought was, let's go to the museum and see if they have a new exhibit, but the museum is downtown. So anyway, good morning. Happy Saturday. I'll show you what we get into. We finally made labels, or Brian did actually last night, for all of these totes out here. But look at this one. This is what they're doing. They're like curling up. So I asked on Instagram and everyone said put clear packing tape over. So thank you. So that's what I'm doing now. It's like 12 o'clock, 12:15. We're going to see a movie, but it doesn't start till 2. So we're just kind of lounging until then. But this was such a smart idea. Happy Saturday to Brian. They haven't seen you in a while. Okay, so we have picked a movie for today. What's it called?
Argyle.
Argyle. We're going to Nexus where you can eat too. So we've saved our lunch appetite. It's also hot outside today, surprisingly. It's like 76 degrees, but it's cold in there. So Brian's wearing his little Under Armour sweatsuit.
It's always cold in the movies.
It is cold in the movies. I brought an Under Armour sweatshirt, but I wore this because it was a little bit warm. Okay, I'll show you when we get to the movies.
Who that stuff that you got that tasted good?
Brian's telling me about whiskey.
Whiskey.
About how some whiskey he had was good. We're at Nexus Cinema, Dining, Restaurant, and Sports Bar. Is it 1 o'clock? Oh, it's after because our movie's at 2. Thank you.
Oh God, like my socks.
Oh, God. I think I'm going to order this burger. They used to have like little slider burgers that were good, but we're going to do the jumbo steak burger. Oh, I can't see it. You can't see it. It's a chicken sandwich. The movie was good, y'all. Now we're at Walmart. I want some Built Bars. We're out of the ones that I bought online. So we only like puff, not the regular, just the puff. So I'm going to get the brownie batter. And then I need Claritin. My allergies, y'all, I can't even tell you how bad they are right now. Claritin is the only thing that works for me. So we'll get 30 tablets for $21, 100 for $50. That seems like the better deal, right? Happy Tuesday, y'all. I'm pulling into Yellowhammer, and I thought as I was driving up, I hope they're not closed. I think, oh, they're open. Okay, today's Fat Tuesday, by the way. So the last day of Mardi Gras, also known as Fat Tuesday. Let me order my coffee. So today, Fat Tuesday, last day of Mardi Gras. I have bad news. If you haven't put 2 and 2 together yet, Candace and I did not, in fact, get to go to a Mardi Gras ball this year. We had tickets, and then I was sick. I tried to rally. I really did. I even put a fake tan on in the morning. Like, I really did try to rally. And it just, I felt terrible. Also, like, you don't want to get other people sick. We didn't get to go this year. Maybe next year we'll try again. All right, so today on the agenda, I am going to Target. I want to film a couple things, but also I need to get dog food, cat food, toilet paper, like a few things like that. I have Brian a Valentine's Day card. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, but I don't have a gift or like something to give him. So I think what I'm going to do, when Candace and I went to Foley last week, I think it was, to the outlets to film, we stopped at CVS to go to the bathroom, and they had Russell Stover's sugar-free chocolate, like a heart with all the sugar-free chocolate in it. So I think I'm gonna try to see if I can find that here. Hang on. Okay, that wasn't mine. Anyway, they had it at a CVS there, and I'm hoping they have it here. I looked at Target, and I'm hoping that the CVS here has it. So that's the plan. Just by watching the other, oh, hang on. Thank you. You're welcome. Just by watching the other, oh my God, I'm so close to that. just by watching the other parts of this video, you would have known, like, it's been warm, okay? I think it was, what, 70s when Brian and I were hanging out when we went to the movies. It's 45 degrees today. And I needed to figure out what it's doing, so I'm just wearing this big, like, oversized sweatshirt. If you haven't shopped the Abercrombie men's oversized t-shirts and sweatshirts, you're missing out. I always get the extra, extra large. Sometimes they do extra, extra large tall, even in like the t-shirts and stuff, just making them a little bit longer. I'm saying that's the way to do it. Most people are closed today. That's why I was worried about Yellowhammer. Like, school's out for the week. Most businesses are closed. It's Fat Tuesday, you know? The birthplace of Mardi Gras is Mobile. I've said that in the past, and people kind of got mad at me for that, but it's true. Mardi Gras was started here. So the like newer Mardi Gras that you see now was started here. I'll say that. All right, so let's go to Target. I'm gonna film first, and then we will catch back up and do our little bit of running around. All right, we need dog food. I don't see the kind. Oh, is this dog food too? It is. Okay, I don't see the kind that she likes. Let's go to the next aisle. Here we go. Also, I am buying something. I'll link my Target video down below. It turned into an incredible haul. We're just gonna grab this one. And then cat food, she just gets these green boxes, but we kind of switch them up, like between the orange, the green, and the purple. Let's do orange. I don't think she's had that one in a minute. Toilet paper, free $10 card. Buy 3 or more. We don't need that many. I usually just buy, y'all know, we buy toilet paper all the time. The 6 mega. Yeah. Not super mega, just the mega. Again, I've already looked at candy. They don't have what I want here. I also looked at Walmart. I didn't tell y'all that a couple days ago. So we'll go to CVS. I'm pretty sure that's where I saw it. I took a picture. It could have been Walgreens. So I need to look at the picture. Oh, let me grab one of these. Probably should get some meat for supper too while we're here. We have like nothing. So maybe we'll do some pasta. Ground beef. And I just grabbed this Rayo's pasta sauce. Okay, let's go check out. It's way later. It's like 12:30, 1 o'clock. I went home, switched out some laundry, did a little bit of work. I'm sitting outside of a CVS. Are y'all CVS's shutting down too, or like closing? We only have a couple locations when they used to be like on every single corner. So let's go in, fingers crossed they have what we want. Here's the Valentine's Day candy. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're not gonna give up yet. It was a pretty big heart. And it was all the Russell Stover sugar-free. I don't see it. Granted, I was at a different location. I don't even see sugar-free candy. Oh, I do. Is that it? Let me regroup. And we'll, okay, they do have sugar-free candy. But not in the heart. I want the heart. All right, we are home. Let me show you what I ended up picking out at CVS. I walked around that store with a ton of sugar-free candy, and then I thought, he already has all of these, so it doesn't really need more. So all I ended up getting was the sugar-free or zero sugar Twizzlers. I got 2 packs of these. He loves these. And then I thought, maybe I can get him a gift card. He doesn't really, like, he forgets that he has gift cards. So I made a stop at Walmart. I did a ton of Googling in the car to figure out if anywhere had that sugar-free heart, Russell Stover's, and they don't. Like, I couldn't find it in my town. So we got some new things for him to try, which I think is fun. So I got these Halo Top peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Looks like the mix. Okay, I thought that could be nice. I got him a keto-friendly chocolate chip cookie, like you add water to it and microwave it. Okay, I thought that that could be good. And then Halo Top had this strawberry cake. He loves strawberry. So we're gonna put all that stuff in a bag that I got, just a red bag. And then this is the card that I got a while ago from Target. It says Nugs and Kisses because we like chicken nuggets. Happy Valentine's Day on the back. And that's what he's getting for Valentine's Day. I thought about putting on there like an IOU or you pick the date, we'll go to maybe one of the restaurants that we've been talking about. But I feel like this is good. It's just Valentine's Day. Like, it's not a major holiday. So that's what he's getting for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna finish laundry. I'm gonna change my clothes. More specifically, put my pajamas back on. Well, I'm having a hard time talking. That's the plan. So I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow on Valentine's Day. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day. It is Wednesday, Valentine's Day, about 1:15. I have been up like working this morning. I had my hair in a ponytail, but I felt like because I had makeup on, I should take it down. All right, so we're gonna do a couple of errands. I need to run to the post office. I need to run to UPS. And then if I would have been smart, was it yesterday that we went to Target? If I was smart, I would have just gotten something to cook for dinner tonight. But I didn't. So I'm gonna go to Publix, I think. I think I'm gonna do, because it is Valentine's Day and Brian's favorite thing I cook is fried pork chops. I guess we'll do that for supper, fried pork chops and maybe homemade mashed potatoes. That's the plan. I woke up early this morning and filmed a Halara haul. It's not up yet, but it will be up soon. But I got my hands on that viral corduroy skirt or skort, whatever you want to call it, that I've been seeing. Have y'all been seeing it? Because I've been seeing it all over TikTok. And I call it a skirt, but it's got shorts underneath it, but you can't see the shorts. So that's why I call it a skirt and not a skort. I feel like skorts are the ones that's like a skirt in the front, the shorts in the back. So it's good though. Spoiler, it's good. So anyway, that's what I did this morning. But for now, I thought about grabbing him like a little iced coffee. They do the blondies that I like from Yellowhammer, sugar-free. And so I was gonna get him when I take it to him, but I haven't heard from him today. And that typically means he's really busy. So I don't want to interrupt his day. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I got for Valentine's Day. I talked him into giving it to me last night because I said it was after supper. We did the pasta for supper last night, and it was after supper, and I said, listen, if you have chocolate for me somewhere in this house, maybe I could go ahead and get it. So he ended up getting me like a chocolate heart, Russell Stover's like chocolate heart, and then a gift card to get my nails done, which was really nice. So I'm kind of disappointed. I went and got a pedicure earlier this week. I should have waited, because then I could have got it for free. But that's okay. We'll go together one day. Not this vlog, because today's the last day of the vlog and you're watching it tomorrow. But we'll go together one day and do our nails and stuff. I haven't done my nails in so long. Okay, that's a lie. Long for me. What, like a month? 2 months? I guess it's really not that long. But all right. Post office, UPS. Let's go to UPS first, because it's a little bit further. And then post office. And then Publix. First stop, UPS. Hopefully it's not busy in here. It usually is. Everybody seems to come at the same time. Hello. All right, post office or UPS, it really wasn't busy at all. Well, there was people ahead of me, but it moved really fast. The people ahead of me though, I think I just inhaled that hand sanitizer, seemed to just have the wrong things. Like somebody needed to call a number, somebody needed to print something else. So it moved pretty fast. The post office will be quick because it's just a drop off. Like I don't need to wait for a receipt or anything. Last stop is Publix. First, let's grab potatoes. I don't really need a whole bag of potatoes. Let's get the, hold on. Okay, we will take it. We can do something with them. Something else with them too. And then let's do we do boneless or bone in? So those are boneless chops, center cut. Let's do these. Yeah, with the bone in. And let's grab some butter while we're here. morning. Happy Thursday. Let's pick out a little bit. Oh, look, it's already popped up and ready to go. I just got out of the shower. I started watching this show the other day. Everyone's been talking about how good it is. Also, I'm talking to you now because I realized I didn't end this video. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's vlog. I know it's a tad bit short, but it was still fun to watch. It was fun to edit. So I hope it was fun to watch. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.